Okay, hello. So today we're going to talk a little bit about subtracting. And we know that we talked earlier in the week when I subtract, I take some away. Okay, so if I have three things to write with, one, two, three, and I take one away, I have two left over. Okay, so let's take a look at these apples. Oh, guys, Pete the cat was so hungry. He was so hungry. He had all of these apples and then he ate this many. So let's try and make a match between the picture and the number sentence here, okay? So let's see how many apples there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples to start with. So then I'm going to look for my number sentence. Which one has 5 in the beginning? Is it this one? No. This one. Here it is. Here's 5. I'm starting with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I take away Pete the cat ate 1. So 5 minus, that means we take away 1. That's a match. So those two match. Draw a line right there. Good job. Let's look at the next picture. How many apples are there in all? 1, 2. And then I take away 1 apple. So I subtract 1 apple. Which number sentence makes a match? Which number sentence starts with 2 minus or take away 1? Let's look. Here it is. 2 minus 1. 2 take away 1. That's a match. So now which one is the final match? Let's double check here that we got everything correct. 1, 2, 3 apples minus 1. I take 1 away equals, sorry, my friends, my cats are going crazy next to me. 1, 2, 3, take away 1. Here it is. 3, take away 1. That was almost bad. Okay, that's all for that page. Let's go ahead to the next page now, okay? So here we're doing the same thing, except we're only making one match, okay? So what I want you to do is we're going to look this before we were looking at apples. Now on page 359, we're looking at our unifix cubes, our math cubes. So which group of connecting cubes shows the same amount as 4 minus 1? Okay? So which one is the same as 4 minus 1? So I want to make a match with what's left over after I take that 1 away. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I take away 1. I can even do it on my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then minus 1. I take 1 away. So let's take one of our fingers away. What is the difference? How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So there should be 3 left over after I take 1 away from 4. Which one is that? Is it this one, or this one? This one, isn't it? Yep, so draw a line. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So draw a line. Good. 4, take 1 away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys. That's it for today. Okay, so go ahead and work on your math on your choice board, and go ahead and make sure you get your iReady in today, okay? Have a wonderful day.